Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda. It's a white solid that's crystalline fine powder, comprised of salts. It's a base that reacts when it comes into contact with acids like buttermilk, yogurt, or vinegar. It's frequently used as a leavening agent in baked goods like cakes, muffins, and cookies. It causes dough to rise by producing carbon dioxide. Baking soda should be stored at room temperature for no more than 18 months. For the best quality, it's recommended to store it at room temperature for 6 months. Baking soda neutralizes odors chemically. That's why it's also good for deodorizing. The crystalline structures of baking soda, when it is used as a paste, provide general abrasion that helps remove dirt without scratching sensitive surfaces. It's eco-friendly and safe to use in your home. In 1846, the introduction of baking soda, a salt that can react with an acid to create carbon dioxide, made life so much simpler. But baking soda still needed to be mixed with an acid. It was cheap. It was widely available. Bakers often used sour milk. This process was very unpredictable. It was hard to control how acidic the sour milk actually was, and it was difficult to know how much baking soda to use or for how long to bake. From scrubbing toilets to cleaning your face, cleaning your hair and toothbrushes to being regarded as a natural antacid, baking soda is an interesting product. Many people use baking soda as a replacement for mouthwash. Some studies do show that it may help freshen your breath and even exert antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. While it doesn't lower oral bacteria levels, it does increase the pH levels of saliva, and this is critical for inhibiting bacterial growth. Baking soda is often used as a natural deodorant to eliminate sweat smell by making its odors less acidic. Though there's limited research on whether this strategy actually works or not. Go ahead, try patting some baking soda onto your armpits or mixing it with a bit of coconut oil, shea butter, or cornstarch to create the homemade deodorant. Baking soda may help freshen a smelly refrigerator by neutralizing bad odors. And interestingly, it eliminates odor particles rather than just masking their smell. It's an inexpensive way to whiten and clean your laundry. According to research over many decades, centuries even now, an alkali like baking soda works by interacting with acids and stains when dissolved in water. Try it out. Add a half cup or 110 grams of baking soda to your regular amount of laundry detergent. It's going to soften the water too, so you may need less detergent than usual. And believe it or not, some fire extinguishers contain baking soda. These are typically used for dry chemical fire extinguishers. The baking soda helps extinguish oil, grease, and electrical fires. It reacts with the heat to produce carbon dioxide, which then quickly smothers the fire. Baking soda may help soothe skin that's itching from sunburns. Some people claim that it's more effective when combined with other ingredients like cornstarch and oatmeal. And for specific areas, just very simply create a paste. Just use baking soda and a little bit of water, and then apply a thick layer to your affected area. Drinking small amounts of baking soda is not usually dangerous. In adults, this can prove short-term relief from indigestion. However, drinking large amounts of baking soda is very dangerous, and it's not suitable for long-term use during pregnancy, or use in children. The recommended dosage for adults is a half a tablespoon, dissolved in 4 ounces of water, and it's best to sip this drink slowly. You do want to make sure you avoid side effects like gas or diarrhea. You can repeat this every 2 hours. Daily intake of baking soda can help prevent autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, cardiovascular disease, irritable bowel disease, and type 2 diabetes, according to a recent study by researchers from Augusta University. I have a baking soda joke for you. I bet it'll get a rise out of you. What's a chef's favorite soft drink? Baking soda. These are Interesting Things with JC.